Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to change the color of an image in Canva. So the first thing you have to do is to open a fresh template or select the photo you want to change the picture of. So these are my former works. You can let me just create a new page and show us how to do that. So it depends on what you want to achieve. So if you want to change the background, it's very easy. Just click on upload a file, a picture, or what, most likely a picture. Let's assume you want to change the picture of this AI image. You can um remove the background. You can click on background remover, or you can see the color palette here. We can choose any color to change it to. So let's change this to, let's say, red, and let's change this. Good. So we can see that the color has been changed. We can see how it has affected the whole ambience of the picture. From this, you can see this color. It means that this blue represented every, I don't know if this is blue or green or light. It represented the everything here. So once I change it to red, everything will change to red. We can see. So you can also look for other images in the other colors in the picture to change. Let's say I want to change this. I think this is peach. I can change it to something. Let me choose pink, so it to be distinct. So it is changing in the background. Let me choose white. You can see that it's only affecting here. Let me choose yellow. Good. So this is how we can change the color of an image on Canva. So if you've enjoyed this video, guys, let me know in the comment section, and consider subscribing to the channel for more contents like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day, guys.